Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at how to find the most frequent text item in an array. Now this is something I learned from Dave Bruns at ExcelJet, and I will put the link to his tutorial on this topic down below if you want to take a look at that. But let's see how we can accomplish this in Excel. So here's our scenario. In column A here, I have a list of 30 items, and it contains 4 different items: pizza, apple, toast, and cracker. And here, I just use the COUNTIF function to see how many times each one appeared within that list. And you can see our most common is toast, appearing 10 times. And I also just associated a number with each one of those and put that number in here, and we'll see how that comes into play in a minute. So we're going to use a single formula that I have here, which uses the index, mode, and match functions to come up with the correct answer, in this case, toast. Now what is the mode function? Equals mode. You can see mode returns the most frequent occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of data. Now again, it will only work on values, it won't work on text. So if I hit tab, selected the items in column A here, and hit enter, I get an error because again, it won't work on text, it'll only work on values. However, if I replaced column A with column B, it will give me the number 3, which we know 3, being associated with toast, appears the most frequent number of times, which is 10. And that works perfectly. Now the match function, what the match function does, it gives the position of an item in an array. So for example, if I wanted to look for pizza in this array here, and I want an exact match, it will tell me that it is in position 15, or it's the 15th row from row 2 down to 31, which again is row 16 in my Excel worksheet here, but it's the 15th in the array, row 2 to row 31. And again, even though there's multiple occurrences of that, it will only give the first position that it occurs. So if I, for example, went in and said equals match, and I said match all of these items here with all of these items, and again give me an exact match, what I get is a list of the first time each one occurred. Apple occurred in row 1 of my list, and again down here it's going to give me a 1 because again the match function will only find the first occurrence. So since it'll only find the first occurrence, if we can count up the number of first occurrences, that will give us the most frequent item in the list. So if I highlight and copy this match function, and now go down to my mode function and replace the range with that new range from the match function and hit enter, it tells me row 4 has the most frequent item. And what's in row 4? That's toast, which is associated again with number 3. So it's telling me that whatever's in row 4 is the most frequent item in our list. So now what I can do is I can wrap this in an index function. My array will be the list in column A, comma, and my row number will be defined by the mode and match function. I'll close my parentheses, hit enter, and again I get toast, which is the most frequent item in the list in column A. And that's how you can accomplish this in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at my website, excel-bytes.com, or at any of the social networks noted below. Thanks a lot, have a great day, and happy excelling.